Hello. Okay, so this video is about the Javadocs and also the events of RuneLite API. So just for an example, we're going to go into Microbot. We're going to go into B and Muscular and just have a look at the plugin class. And scrolling through the plugin class, which every plugin will have, we can see an example here of a config changed event. So you put your subscribe, you put your event name and its parameters and all that, and then every time this event happens where the config changes, then this code will execute. We can look down here and we also have on varbit changed, so varbits are in the game, and depending on your character's status or activity or idleness, these varbits change. And so here is a varbit changed event. So when the varbit changes, every single time it changes, it launches this code. Let's have a look at some other examples. These are all private ones. Right, we have the game tick on game tick event. So every game tick, which is every 600 milliseconds, it activates all this code. Let's have a look anymore. I think that's about it. So those are 4 examples of events that you can use in your plugin class, which can be used to set flags or not. You know, here's another one, chat message. So if you've got this config set and the on chat message event is this message, then change this flag. So, and then you can use that flag in your script class, and you can turn it off in your script class or turn it off over here, but you have it going on and off, and it's a good tracking while your plugin and script is going out. The plugin class is really good for tracking stuff, and then you just feed the flags that it changes to the script class, because you don't want to overload the plugin class too much. So that's the example of the chat message events of all kind of events. And so now we're going to go into the Javadocs. So here we have what looks like a RuneLite API, and let's see. Oh look, we can click on events, and act of death is an event when animation has changed, when the ambient sound effect has been created. Wow, there is a lot here. On graphics change, we did on hit splat applied. I use a lot as well. On item despawn, on quantity, item quantity change, on NPC changed, NPC spawned on that event. There are so many. Wow, incredible. So all of these can be used in your plugin class with the subscribe, and can be used to do a lot of creative stuff. On the stat changed, very good. So we go back to the overview and we can see that's here on events. So that's how you look up how the event works, how you do it. Alright, thank you for coming in, and that was RuneLite API, Javadocs, and events.